Sussex IM is a mid to high volume custom injection molder covering a broad spectrum of product lines ranging from agroscience, home and garden, healthcare and medical, hygiene and industrial products, which is really relevant in the world today, industrial and consumer goods. And the fun thing is we're fortunate to work with a lot of the industry leaders in all these different diverse market segments, which provides us opportunity to be on the cutting edge of some of the new focus and technologies in each one of these markets, which has been real fun. We have two facilities. Our main facility is 140,000 square foot, and advanced manufacturing is about 160,000 square foot, and we're continually growing over there. We have about 67 presses ranging from 25-ton up to 720-ton. Some of our areas of expertise are extensive work on the front end with design for manufacturing. We then get into an in-depth scientific mold processing review, and we work directly with the customer on development. Any complex molding or IML, we definitely get involved in, and then a lot of into post-mold operations. We have a really good in-house automation team that works on all the technical things to design, program, and implement a successful integration for new product lines. We have roughly about 450 employees, and our people are everything. If we don't have happy people that are motivated, we don't have good efficiency and an environment that we'd like to create. Culture is very important to us. We have a family culture here. No matter how big we've grown, we've still maintained that, singing happy birthday on people's birthdays, recognition and meals and all the give backs to make sure that employees understand that they are the most important thing, because without them we would not be successful and could not make the products we make on a daily basis.